Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. Today is Monday, December 4th, and we have some things to do today. Obviously, we have stuff to do every day. It's pretty much just the regular stuff, crocheting and whatnot. So come along. I would really like to get all of my Black Friday sales finished, and I have 4 orders left over from Black Friday. We finished one yesterday, so that's down to 3. Next is a cornflower river dahlia top, and then after that there's 2 tops, which is a custom peekaboo top and a custom sneaky peek top. And then the next order is 3 things. We have a yellow river dahlia top, a strawberry peekaboo top, and then a bandana. So overall, I need to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to make 5 tops, and the bandana's already finished. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the next top, which is a custom river dahlia top made in cornflower. Let's do. Thrown out there.
She weenie on my poo until I Eeyore.
She weenie on my poo until I Eeyore. Alright. Well, I gotta go.
I'm having heart palpitations.
No,
I think I'm dying.
no, you're not.
Pump up the jam.
Pump it up.
While the music's pumping. Pump it up a little so. Those are the drums. And I'm about to do a guitar solo for 6 minutes. What do you think?
You got plans for lunch?
When she came on land, his back to her, looking down on the outer courtyard through an arrow slit. The noise from the courtyard was all horses and men, neighing and shouting. So intent was Land that he did not, for once, seem to hear her. She hated the fact that she could never sneak up on him. However, softly she stepped. She had been accounted good at woodscraft back in Iman's field, though it was not a skill in which many women took any interest. What do you think?
Wow.
I'm gonna need a 3-page summary on what you just read.
Oh god. I have a different color lot of cornflower this time, and this one is way smoother than the last color lots. So I am at least enjoying myself a little bit this time. I'm not suffering any. Yeah. I need a snack. I'm making good progress on this top. It'll be done soon. Currently I'm just sitting here. I'm feeling like a slug, low-key falling asleep, but still getting work done, so. I think we're gonna go out to eat later, which will be delightful. I wonder where we're gonna go though.
Neji, do you want uppies? He's conflicted.
I gotta pack my go bag.
You want uppy wuppies? Okay. Do you want uppy wuppies, Neji? He looks content. Release me, Father. You do want uppy wuppies, don't you?
Let's go!
What I really want from you is to lick me up and down. She wanna oh, that's what she said.
TikTok is putting me on. I don't know what you're talking about.
Baby, that's what she said. Oh.
He puts so much salt in it.
I know.
I was like,
I said a little bit of guacamole, and he's like, it looks so good.
I have to play Skyrim for my boyfriend's channel. So if you want to watch me play Skyrim, you know, go watch them. So that's my plan for a while, is to play Skyrim. Maybe like 2 or 3 hours.
Ready? Mm-hmm. Welcome back, everybody, to some more of Skyrim. And last time we left off, we officially finished Bleak Falls Burrow, and we're gonna head to Whiterun for the very first time and talk to the Jarl and see what is happening. But before we get started today, be sure,
be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more girlfriend mode playthroughs. That's me, I'm girlfriend. Let's get started.
Chicken on my noodle until I have soup.
Why? Why? Tonight we're having a classic dinner of ramen noodles. I played Skyrim for how long?
2 hours.
A little bit over 2 hours. I killed 4 bears, probably. I haven't died yet at all, so. Alright guys, check it out. Finished. She's finished. She's done. It is getting quite late, but as you saw earlier, we got some packages. So let's open them up. I believe this is the 5th day in a row that we have received packages and are opening them. I'll start with this little Amazon box. It's super light. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I am a order and forget kind of person, especially when it's stuff that's not for me. Okay, this is some kind of hair treatment stuff for my mom for Christmas, so that is wonderful. Now let's open what you're really interested in. This is all Lily Sugar and Cream for sure, but I don't know what colors it is. I think I ordered this on Cyber Monday, and I was like telling myself I was not gonna order things, but I was looking at my orders, my like custom orders on Shopify, and a bunch of people ordered like the same colors, like back to back to back. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. Okay, yeah, there's only 3 colors in here, but goodness, goodness, goodness. Okay. All right, so we ordered 6 skeins of cornflower blue because, as you have seen throughout the past multiple days, we've got a lot of orders for these. So I was running out, so I have 6 more ready to go for the next time. I also got 6 skeins of damask ombre, and I bought this because I got a couple orders that have damask ombre in them, and just like throughout the past like 2 months I have had a lot of orders for damask ombre, and so like this is just basically a popular color choice, so I like to have it on hand for whenever I get a custom order that has this color. But also, since it's a popular color, I'm just going to make some items in this color so that it's more likely that the pre-made items sell, just because people like this color. So I mean, it's a real nice color, so I don't blame them. Very cute, very fun, very, it's like very rose, because it has like pinks and reds, but then there's also a tiny bit of green going through it, so it definitely gives off rose vibes. Ooh. Yeah. Last but not least, I got 10 skeins of Earth Ombre. That is the name, and that's because I just got a bunch of orders for Earth Ombre, so I was like, I need to stock up on these. And same reason as the Damask Ombre is, since I've been getting a lot of orders for it, I figure it's a pretty popular color choice, so I'm just going to start making things with it, and hopefully those things will sell. I did make a like little crop top t-shirt with it. It's called the Coliseum Crop. It's by Ed's Fart on Instagram. That's their @ on Instagram. I'm not sure anywhere else, but yeah, I got the pattern from them and I made the Coliseum Crop, and it was really cute, and I sold it. So I'm pretty sure I got Earth Ombre for the first time from a gift box. Like, I had never bought it on my own before, and I was like, I really want to make another Coliseum Crop, so I'm just gonna grab some random Lily Sugar and Cream that I have laying around, and this was it. So definitely introduced me to a new colorway, and I'm totally happy for that. So now I have way more. Now I have a lot of it. So guys, I think that is going to be the end of today's vlog. I'm sorry it was a short one. My boyfriend was home, so I tend to spend a lot of time with him on the days that he's off of work. So yeah, what can I say? Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and continue to watch all of my December vlogs. I would so totally appreciate it if you've been enjoying them. I will see you in the next one. Bye!